Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in over 2 months and I filmed this right before Christmas, before we went Christmas shopping, and I realized that I needed to declutter my children's rooms of all their toys and put in a extreme toy organizing system. So that's what I'll be doing today in this video, as well as a little bit of laundry and just showing you guys a little sneak peek of some of my laundry products and how I store them. But let's get into some extreme toy organizing, excuse me. Good morning guys, good evening. Glad to have you here watching with me. Thank you guys. So Selah asked me to clean her room this morning, so that's what we're gonna do. Huh? Are you so excited? This is the other side of the room. See, it gets like this once a week. And I also need to go through her entire closet. I would like to put some kind of shelf over here on the wall or over here. I kind of want to make this corner right here like her beauty corner / reading corner. And so we're gonna turn some music on while we clean to make it a lot funner.
Yeah.
Huh? And we're gonna go so fast.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
Okay, you guys, so already I am in shock at how much stuff Selah has in this little teeny tiny room. Huh? What?
I need my ballerina dress.
Oh, it's right over here. Right. There's this one. And where did I put it? Your pink ballerina one is right here. This one?
Yes.
Okay, but we're not going to change right now because we're filming a video, okay? Let's keep going. It's right here whenever you want it, okay? So you guys, I am in complete shock at how much stuff Selah has. She is doing so good with wanting me to clean. We've been watching videos on other little girls cleaning their rooms and decluttering. We gotta do back here. Oh my gosh, it's just everywhere. Everywhere. Oh my goodness. What is going on? I thought you had some on already. You don't? Okay. Okay, you guys, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 bins full of toys. And we have a couch, a dining room, a bedroom for babies, strollers for babies, piles of blankets, laundry, stuffies, a bucket of princess dresses, and we have castles, Barbie cars.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So since filming this video, you guys, I've actually made even some more changes to Selah's room, which I will be filming another update on that as soon as I am done filming another video that I have going for my son's room. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. It's kind of like we were going really fast this day, and filming with a 3-year-old is definitely takes a lot of patience to do that, but I wanted her to be part of doing this, so that's why I'm doing a lot of voiceovers and music, because I really wanted to be present with her. And she was just loving the organizing and deciding what she wanted to put where. And it was just really fun when we started moving her bed around, which you'll see here pretty soon. We're going to start rearranging the room, so enjoy. Okay guys, so this is as far as I got today. I'm honestly gonna leave this until tomorrow because I don't have time. It's dinner time and I'm going to include a recipe and a dinner into this video. So I am going to be making spaghetti and meatballs. I have all of my stuff right here. I have these garlic cheese breadsticks, my Parmesan, we're gonna make some brownies, and I have my pans ready here to go. I'm gonna put the meatballs in here with the garlic and let them simmer for a little bit, and then I'll pour the sauce in, get the noodles ready. But that is where I'm at. I'm going to pour myself a glass of wine. It's 5:30, so dinner should be ready by 6:30, and then or by 6 if I get this going fast enough. but I can't wait to taste this wine. I've been waiting a while to taste this, so I'm gonna grab myself a glass.
All I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches. We'll roll with the punches. We'll roll with the punches.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did editing it. I always love watching and editing videos that I've done with my kids, and I am so proud of my children for being so patient with me. Anyways, I hope you guys love this video and really enjoyed a little sneak peek into kind of my day with my kids and what I do. How I plan out my weeks and days. So hopefully you guys subscribe and you give me a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to check in the description box for my recipe. I will be posting more recipes for sure. I get a lot of requests for those, so send me a private message or go check out my Instagram and send me a DM. We'll see you guys. Bye.
Was it a rainbow falling when I